No makeup on. No makeup on. Let's see. I can only pop these when they're. Okay, random. Do you pop your knuckles? Do you pop your back? Do you pop your neck? I don't like saying pop. I like to say crack, really. Do you crack your neck? Do you crack your, like, you know, bones? Because if you do, send, like, I want to see it. Because I like cracking my knuckles and cracking my, like, neck. I actually really want to go to a chiropractor, but I don't know. And excuse my face, I have no makeup on. I apologize, because this is a morning. Every time I try to pop my knuckles and stuff, like, it's always loud when I'm not recording it. And then I'm like, okay, let me record it. And I'm like trying to crack them, and then it doesn't crack, and I'm just like, ugh. Anyway, that was it. Just show me your cracking stuff. Okay, bye.